It's quarantine. I can't tell if it's a good or bad thing because I'm also saving money because I'm not going out as much. But then I'm also suffering because I can't, take care of my lady needs. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this really pretty quarantine look. That's what we're calling this look today. It's the quarantine look, very laid back. Sometimes it can be a bit boring to be in the house, not, dolled up. So this is a good chance to do that. If you want to see how I achieved this really pretty, cute look, keep on watching. Oh, hello. I look crazy, I know, but we're gonna get situated in a second. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some translucent powder on my eyelid space. I already did my eyebrows off camera because I know that's just gonna take a while, so I just went ahead and did that off camera. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put the translucent powder, and this is just gonna hold our foundation a little bit better. And this is gonna be my quarantine look, because I know you guys are all at home. And if you're looking for inspo, you're more than welcome to copy this. I will not see your ass. So yeah, what have you guys been up to during quarantine? I know that everyone is sort of like in like this limbo where it's, you should be doing something, or I guess you should be bettering yourself, but it's like, it's kind of hard to keep up with being productive in this mood. But yeah, what have you guys been up to? Comment below. What have you guys been up to? I'll show you guys throughout the video what I've been up to. Not much, but I will share with you guys. Okay, so not forgetting why we're here, I'm gonna go into my Message Bible palette. I'm gonna take this orange right here and I'm gonna put that on my upper eyelid space. I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Sienna, and I'm just gonna use that below my upper eyelid space. And I'm gonna actually go heavy with this color because I really want that color to be the main color, sort of gonna be the focus of the look. And if you guys see, I'm distributing it also in my inner corner of my eyelid space as well. I'm gonna go in with this upper top color right here called Mulberry. Just to darken it a little bit, I'm going to put this on the outside corners. I'm going to make sure to blend. I'm going to scoot that color down a little bit, just to the outside corner of my lower eyelid space. And don't be afraid to take that color out of your eyelids as well. Alright, perfect. Now, I'm just going to go in with this color. This is from my No Photos palette. And this is by Revolution. I'm going to use this I'm probably going to go in with these two colors right here. And they're just supposed to give me like a lucent, is that how you say it? Iridescent type of feel. Oh, colors so pretty. I know you guys are probably noticing my nails throughout this video. I'm gonna blame it on quarantine. It's been rough, y'all. I know you guys can relate. I'm not used to going this long without getting my nails done. Let me show you guys real quick. Look at this. Which one is it? Look at this middle one. It's gone with the wind. Never coming back. And I debated taking it all off for this video, but I was like, you know what? Let me be real and show you guys what I've been going through, which I'm sure everyone else is. So I figured, what's the purpose of like hiding it? Just air it out to the world. We're all in this together. So I'm sure you guys are not judging me. And if you are, you need daily rants. You really do. Secret, again, remember, is to blend, blend, blend. As long as you can blend your look, I think that, yeah, you don't have anything to worry about. I think I have something going here. I'm just gonna go back with those colors, Sienna. I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I feel like I sort of faded a little bit as we added that color. Okay, I think I like it. Next, I'm gonna do my foundation, which is interesting because I just realized I never ever do my foundation after I do my eyeshadow, but today we are. It's quarantine, anything goes. Okay. I'm sure you guys also probably noticed a different background. I recently moved, so that's why everything looks a little different back here. And yes, I still have my little Christmas trees back over there. I can't be bothered. I'm on holiday, okay? We're all on holiday, so that's an excuse to leave the Christmas tree still hung up. That's not really a tree. It's, you know what I'm talking about. Alright, so nothing's changed here. Same combo again. My Lancome tinted doll and my Clinique Stay Matte. 3 or 4. Start with 4. And I'm gonna add a drop of my Clinique One. Okay. I'm so dramatic. Now I'm just gonna put that over my face. My eyebrows are so overgrown too, y'all. Ooh. It's quarantine. I can't tell if it's a good or bad thing because I'm also saving money because I'm not going out as much. But then I'm also suffering because I can't, take care of my lady needs. Anyway, I guess we should be grateful that we're at least healthy. And I hope you guys all are. And I know that, some people have probably just been affected more than others. And I just want to say, if you've been affected in any way, be it your job or your family, whatever it is, I just want to say that I am praying for you, I'm thinking about you, and you're not alone, okay? Just hold on, we're at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so foundation is done. Next, I'm going to put on contour, blush, and yeah, let's get on with it. So starting with contour, I'm just gonna, you're not supposed to do that. I'm so used to doing that, but you're not supposed to. You're supposed to just go from the top of your earlobes and just draw a line. Easy. Go from the top of your earlobes. Oops, okay, now this is obstructing me here. On the top of your earlobes, draw a line. Easy. Next, you guys know the drill. I'm gonna mix my Kat Von D translucent powder with my one from Laura Mercier, these two together. I'm gonna use this tapered sponge and I'm just gonna place it. One piece of hair that would let me make it. Reminds me of Corona. And you guys, I wanted to make this video and talk through it because I could have easily just did it like a voiceover, but I feel like this is the only way for you guys to sort of know me and get to know me. I feel like a lot of you just get information from me, be it about cosmetic chemistry or I don't know, whatever reason you guys watch me, which comment below, by the way, why you watch me, what kind of videos, make you come back to my channel. And I know a lot of you guys are new here, which welcome if you're new here. I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you for joining the family. It makes me so happy that a lot of you are super concerned about your skincare, and it's just so fun to see that you guys are here because you care about your skin, which I love the skin. Without the skin, literally all of our organs will oxidize and we wouldn't be here. So thank you guys for supporting me. It does not go unnoticed at all. Literally every time I get a new subscriber, it makes me just want to know more about skin, learn something new, and come in here and tell you guys what I've learned. So thank you. Okay, using this contour / blush brush to sort of just swipe all of it away. I tend to get really oily in my T-zones. I'm really particular about my forehead and inside my nose. You guys know the drill. And then actually, something I forgot to do, which I usually do, is I go with the lighter colored area of which it is pretty much gone, so we're just not gonna use that. But I'm just gonna also go back with that brush, sponge, pardon me. And I'm gonna go underneath my contour line with it, just so it's a little bit more defined. Just right like that. And I'm just gonna press down with the rest of the product. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side because we wanna be symmetrical. Okay, now this doesn't look very perfect, but you guys get the gist. Again, I like natural makeup where it's not too much, but it's there, right? Okay, so I'm now just gonna brush this all off and we'll move on. Now we're gonna apply our blush. I'm gonna be using my Far de Jour blush as always, and using this short brush. I don't know what makeup term that I would use for this brush, but it's a really short one. It's like a kabuki brush almost. I'm just gonna swipe up with it. And I like to bring my blush up so it almost doesn't look like it's just stamped to my face. I like it looking like it's sort of coming out of, I don't know, my temples, right? Some people put it on their eyelids. Sometimes I do, but just today I'm not doing that. It's Sometimes I use my middle finger and I go into the palette and then I just put some underneath my eyes, just like so. Just so it looks like blood vessels are still right there and doesn't just look like pitch baked. And it still look alive, look alive, look alive, look alive. Okay, now today we're actually gonna wear lashes, and I'm gonna do lashes off camera because you guys know, me and lashes. Let's just leave it at that. Before that though, we're gonna do a little bit of highlighting. I don't go overboard with highlighting just because highlighting is, it can literally mess up your makeup entirely. So using the gold up top on my Anastasia Beverly palette, just gonna slightly just, you know, follow along with my cheekbone. I'm just gonna, as always, brush it off. Because we want everything to be super minimal and almost like it isn't there, but it's there. And just like down my nose a little bit. Use my finger. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my lipstick real quick while I'm waiting for my lashes to get set. I'll be using my Sleek lip pencil in Just Say Nothing. Ooh, what lip color should I use? I think I always use the same thing. Let's switch out a little bit here. Ooh, this is kind of pretty. Should we do that? Let's try that. Usually I'll just use my Abu Dhabi by NYX, but let's try something different. This is kind of pretty. Are you feeling that? Is that? I don't know that I like that. Let's change that. I try to be experimental and use a different lipstick. I didn't like it. I'm just gonna go back in to use my NYX in Abu Dhabi. You know, I kind of like that color is there because it's, you know, that's a pop color. I think I like that. Now I'm just gonna pop on some lashes off camera, actually, because it's a long story with me and lashes on camera, so let's just do that and we'll be right back. Okay, so the lashes are popped on and oh! Can you guys see the dramatic effect? I live for lashes. By the way, these are my lashes. I'll link them. I always link them down below, so if you ever want to shop them, the link is right down below, right there. Go do it right now. Get some lashes and spice up your quarantine life, okay? Okay, now I think we're done. We're just gonna get these little pins out. Okay, this one's actually stuck. Let me unravel this little headband I have to protect my edges. Oh my god. Oh! Look, the back of my hair still looks okay. Okay, now we can take this off. And I'm just gonna zhuzh out my hair. Yeah, this is the finished look. Do you guys like it? I think it came out really well. Alright y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys again for watching my videos. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, you know the gist, and I'll see you guys in the next video.